Welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today, we're reviewing the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. This camera is built for creators, adventurers, and anyone who wants smooth, detailed, and powerful video. Whether you're vlogging, biking, or diving into wild environments, this tiny device offers a lot. I've spent a week testing it in different conditions. Let's talk about what it's like to use it, how it performs, and whether it's worth your money. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 feels solid. It's compact and easy to carry, but you'll notice it's packed with serious hardware. It's lightweight, but not cheap. The frame is sturdy and has a premium finish. The buttons are clicky and responsive. You can tell it's made to survive tough environments. It's waterproof, dustproof, and shock-resistant, which makes it ideal for action shots. The touchscreen on the back is clear and bright. It flips, so you can film yourself easily. There's also a front display for quick framing. Everything is laid out simply, so even new users can pick it up and start recording without trouble. The display on the Ace Pro 2 is sharp and colorful. It's easy to view, even under sunlight. Touch response is quick, and navigation is smooth. The screen shows all the controls you need, and it's large enough to preview your footage clearly. It's also strong enough to handle outdoor conditions, whether you're checking settings, scrolling through modes, or reviewing clips. The display makes the experience pleasant. Now let's talk performance. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 records in super high resolution. You can shoot in 8K at 30 frames per second. That means you get very sharp video with lots of detail. It also supports 4K at higher frame rates, so slow motion looks clean and smooth. Low light performance has improved from the last version. Night shots are clearer and brighter. Colors pop without looking fake. Stabilization is excellent. It keeps your footage smooth, even when you're running, biking, or moving quickly. The camera uses flow state stabilization, and it works very well. You won't need a gimbal in most cases. The camera software is packed with features. There's AI framing, which helps keep the subject in focus even if you're moving around. The AI highlights your best shots and helps auto-edit your clips if you want quick social media posts. The Insta360 app is easy to use and offers powerful editing tools. You can cut, trim, color grade, and add effects directly from your phone. It also offers automatic horizon leveling. This keeps your shots level even when the camera tilts or moves suddenly. There's voice control too, so you can start recording or take a photo without touching the device. That's great for times when your hands are full. Battery life is pretty good. It lasts around 2 hours when shooting in 4K, a little less in 8K. It charges fast with USB-C. In about 20 to 30 minutes, you can get close to 80% battery. That's helpful when you're on the go. If you're doing long shoots, you might want to carry a spare battery or power bank. But for everyday adventures, one charge often gets you through. In terms of creative performance, this camera is made for storytelling. You can do time-lapse, hyperlapse, slow motion, and loop recording. The colors are vibrant, and the dynamic range is impressive. It handles shadows and highlights well. This means your footage doesn't lose detail even when the lighting isn't perfect. The audio recording is decent. It picks up voices clearly and handles wind noise better than before. If you need better sound, you can use external microphones. There's support for Bluetooth and USB-C mics, so creators have more flexibility now. For vloggers, the flip screen and compact design are perfect. You can hold it easily, frame your face, and just hit record. No complex setup needed. If you're an outdoor adventurer, the tough build, waterproof body, and stabilization let you capture every moment, no matter how rough the ride is. This is a great camera for capturing movement. Connectivity is smooth. The camera supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Transferring clips to your phone is fast, especially if you use the Insta360 app. You can also plug it directly into a computer with USB-C. It mounts easily on helmets, bikes, or selfie sticks using standard mounts. It's also compatible with magnetic accessories for quick changes. That saves time and helps you capture more moments on the move. Now let's talk about price. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 isn't cheap, but for what it offers, it's fair. You get high-end recording features, amazing stabilization, strong build, and a rich software experience. It's priced similarly to the GoPro Hero 12, but it offers unique features like AI framing and dual screens that help it stand out. For creators who need reliable quality in all kinds of conditions, the price makes sense. It's a camera built to last and built to perform. There are a few pros and cons to keep in mind. On the plus side, the video quality is excellent. The stabilization is top-notch, and the app is one of the best in the market. The touchscreen interface is easy to use. Build quality is strong. You also get lots of creative modes and AI tools. On the downside, the battery could be better. Shooting in 8K drains it fast. Also, the price might be too high for casual users. And while the built-in mic is okay, serious creators might still need an external option. In the end, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is one of the best compact action cameras available right now. It delivers sharp video, smart features, and a durable design. Whether you're a YouTuber, outdoor athlete, or casual traveler, this device gives you the tools to capture your world clearly and smoothly. The AI features and mobile app make editing simple, and the stabilization means you can trust your footage to come out great, even in motion. It's reliable, smart, and powerful. If you're serious about content or just want memories in amazing quality, the Ace Pro 2 is a strong choice. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe. We've got more deep dives on the latest gadgets and gear coming your way. Until next time, keep exploring with the best tech by your side.